like to listen to music while I get hyped up to go and work out. Some shorts. The weather is beautiful. Today's gonna be a good day. For the entree, I'm going to be trying a lobster roll. Look at how big this is. Let's try it. So this past Halloween, I tried some mulled wine. It serves hot, it has spices, and it also has fruit. As I was drinking it, I was like, you know what, I can make this at home. So I googled the ingredients. We have all the ingredients here. This recipe is very simple. Mulled wine is traditionally served during Christmas time. Definitely puts you in a holiday spirit. I love how this blood orange looks on the glass. It's very good for decoration, and it also tastes really great too. So try this at home. And make sure you strain it really well.